My name is Mr. Dwayne Dorsey, and I'm the cybersecurity instructor here at the Career Institute. A cybercrime is a crime committed by an individual or individuals against data that is being transmitted over the internet. A cybersecurity analyst is a person or group of people trained to protect the data that is being transmitted over the internet. Here at the Career Institute, we have a program called Fundamentals of Cybersecurity, in which you are trained to become that person who protects data over the internet. You start off with an entry-level certification, allows you to get your foot in the door per se of you getting to certain industries like banking, automotive, fashion, just about any industry that has some type of device that connects to the internet. You have the opportunity to get an entry-level cybersecurity analyst. Most of those cybersecurity analysts start off pretty well, start in the neighborhood of maybe $40,000 a year. So it's real lucrative. Once you're in there, you can increase your salary by getting more training. Again, there's different levels of cybersecurity analysts that you can get to. That's just the first one, the entry level. The activity on the internet is global. Means you can be just about in any country in the world and have internet access. Because of that, any threats that come to the internet, to any company, could come from anywhere, using any device. Any person who has any internet activity can be a potential threat. So companies are now hiring people to help protect their data, because the biggest asset a company have right now is the data that they possess. As a cybersecurity analyst, is going to be in high demand for a very long time. And I look forward to you coming to our program, and I look forward to you learning more about cybersecurity.